Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have seen some questions of chapter inverse trigonometric functions and we have solved it. Now today, students, we are going to start new topic matrices and we will see some board examination questions based on matrices. Let's see, our first question is if A is equal to matrix 3 minus 4 7 8, if A is this, then show that A minus A to the power t is a skew symmetric matrix where A to the power t is the transpose of matrix. Okay, so we have to show that A minus A to the power t is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, and where A to the power t is transpose of matrix. So, students, matrix is said to be transpose of matrix. When it is said that transpose of matrix, when we change its row into the column, we say that this will be the transpose of the matrix. And skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix, if the transpose of the matrix is equal to the matrix, then it is said that it will be the symmetric matrix. Okay, our A is said to be symmetric matrix. If the transpose of A is equal to that matrix, this is called symmetric. If the transpose of A is equal to the minus of A equal to, then we can say that this A is said to be skew symmetric matrix. So students, in this question we have to say that our A matrix is this, and we have to show that A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. So it means that we have to start from the transpose of this matrix and show that minus A to the power t is equal. So in this case we can say that this matrix is symmetric, skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so let's start. First we will find the transpose of matrix. So transpose of matrix is we will change the row into column. So this is the row, this is the second row. So we are writing second row, first row in first column, second row in second column. So this is the transpose of matrix. Now what we will do? We will subtract this. Now this is 3 minus 4, 7, 8 and minus of 3, 7 minus 4, 8. And we will subtract this. Now we get 3 minus 3 is 0 and minus 4 minus 7 minus 11, 7 minus plus 11, 8 minus 8 is 0. So we are getting A minus A transpose is this. Now taking negative sign outside, we are getting what? 0, 11 minus 11, 0. So A minus A transpose is, we are getting this. Now, okay, so we will write this step after this. So first, now we will take the transpose of this matrix. So the transpose of this is what? When we write this here and this is here. Now this is our what? Transpose of this matrix. Okay. Now this is what? Taking minus sign outside, getting 0 minus 11 and 11 and 0. So when we have taken negative sign outside, this is now what? Now this is minus A transpose, and this is your A minus A transpose, transpose. So from here we are getting the transpose of this matrix is equal to the negative sign of the transpose, negative sign of that matrix. So we can say that this A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, I hope you understand, students. First of all, we have taken the transpose of this matrix, then difference of this matrix, where it is 0, minus 11, 11, 0, and A minus A transpose, whole transpose is 0, 11, minus 11, 0. Now, A minus A transpose is, the whole transpose will be what? We will take negative sign outside, and this is what our this matrix, so we can write this. So from here we can see that this matrix is equal to the transpose of the negative sign of that matrix. So we can say that this matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Now we will see the next question, students. The next question is, express the following matrix as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so we have to given the matrix A is 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 4, and 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 2 minus 5, minus 1, 1, 2. Okay, so this is our matrix A, and which we have to represent in the form A is equal to sum of symmetric and sum of skew symmetric. So in this way we can show that our A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A dash and plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash, where this part is symmetric and this part is skew symmetric. Okay, so if we are able to represent this matrix A in the form of this, and then we can say that it will be our proof. Okay, so first of all we will find the transpose of this matrix, and then we will find what? The difference of these two. Okay, so let's start. Our A transpose is 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1, 1, 2. So now sum of these two will be what? 3 and 3, 6. Minus 2 plus 3, 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 5, 3 and minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, 5, minus 5 plus 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, plus 1, minus 5, minus 4, and 2 and 2, 4. Okay. So A plus A dash is what? This is our A plus A dash 6, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 4 minus 4, minus 5 minus 4, 4. Now we will find the difference of A minus A transpose. So we write again what? 3 minus 2 minus 4 and 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1, 1, 2. This is minus transpose of this 3, 3 minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2. So difference will be what? 3 minus 3, 0, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 4, plus 1, minus 3, and minus 3 plus 2, 5, minus 2 plus 2, 0, minus 5, minus 1, minus 6, minus 1 plus 4, minus 1 plus 4, 3, 1 plus 5, 6, 2 minus 2, 0. So we are saying that our a minus a dash is 0, minus 5, minus 3, 5, 0, minus 6, and 3, 6, 0. This is our a minus a dash. Now we will put these value in this equation. So now when we are going to put a is equal to our 1 by 2 and a plus a dash, which is 6, 1, minus 5, 1, minus 4, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, 4, and plus 1 by 2 again, and this 0, minus 5, minus 3, 5, 0, minus 6, 6, 0. Now we will multiply inside and add this 2, and we are getting our a. If we are multiplying this and adding these 2 and getting our matrix A, it means that it proves that our A can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So our A is what? A is 3, 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 2, and minus 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 2, and 2. And this is plus, again multiply this inside, we get what? 0, minus 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 0, minus 3, 3 by 2, 3, and 0. Now we have got this. Now we will add these, and there is 3. So 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, minus 2, and minus 5. Now third is minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 1 and 2. Now add this 3 minus 2 and minus 4, and this is 6 by 2 means 3, and this is minus 2 and minus 5, and this is minus 1, and this is 1, and this is 2. So now after solving this, I have added this with this in this form, and now we have solved this, and we are getting 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 1, 1 and 2. So this is our matrix A. Okay, so we can say that our matrix A can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So I hope that you understand, friends, that we have to give it this matrix, and if we have to represent this in this form of sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So what will we do? So we will always use this formula, because this can be written as A is equal to 1 by 2, where this is symmetric and this is skew symmetric. When we will add this, what we get? This 1 by 2 minus A dash will cancel, and here we get 2A by 2. It will be cancelled, and we will get all A. So if we are able to represent in this form this matrix, then this matrix A is said to be that it can be represented as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So from here we can say that this part 1 by 2 A plus A dash is symmetric, and this is symmetric. So let what we have done, we have taken A matrix and find out the transpose of this matrix, in which we have done just change its row into the column R, -3, 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 1 2. This into this, this into this, this into this. Okay, now we will find the sum of these two, 3 and 3 6, minus 2 plus 3 1, minus 4 minus 5, this is this. So we have find out sum of these two. Okay, now we have find the difference of these two. So difference will be what? A plus A dash, A minus A dash. So this is A, this is minus A dash. When we subtract these two, we are getting 0 minus 5 minus 3, 5, 0 minus 6, 3, 6, 0. Now we have find out what we will take our A, which is this. Now we will put the value of A plus A dash here, A minus A dash here, and multiply this 1 by 2 inside, 1 by 2 inside, and we get what? We will get after that this matrix, these matrix, and when we will sum these two matrix, we will get this matrix, and after summation calculation, we will get our matrix 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5, 1 1 2, which is equal to A. That will be our matrix A. So this is we have to show that. I hope you understand, friends. Now we will see the next question. Now I will see the next question, students. Our next question is, so that the matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2. So this is the matrix, and satisfy the equation A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0. So this is the matrix which we have to given, and satisfy the equation this, where I is 2 plus 2 identity matrix, which is we have to given, and says that O is the null matrix of order 2 plus 2. Using the equation, find A inverse. Okay, so we have to given this matrix and says that this matrix satisfies this equation, and using this equation find A inverse. This is our question. Now we will take left hand side of the equation, A square minus 4A plus I, and satisfy it. Okay, so first we will find the multiplication of A into A. So it is 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now multiply this, 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 1, which is 3. 2 to the 6, plus 3 to the 6. 1 to the 2, 2 in the 2. 3 plus 2 to the 4. So multiplication is 7, 12, 4 and 7. So our A square is 7, 12, 4, 7, and minus 4A is 2, 3, 1, 2, and I is 1, 0, 0, 1. The identity matrix of order 2. So 7, 12, 4, 7 minus 4 to the 8, 4 to the 12, 4 1 the 4, 4 to the 8, and plus 1 0 0 1. Now add this and this. 8 and 12, 0 and 8 minus, sorry, here is 4. This is 8, 12, 4, 8. So after subtracting, we are seeing that both matrices are same, so it will be 0. So this is our right hand side. So this matrix satisfies the equation because we are getting our right hand side easily from here. Now we have to, using this equation, a square minus 4a plus I is equal to 0. Now using this equation we have to find out our A inverse. Okay. So we will multiply in this equation by A inverse to both sides to find out our A. Okay. So first we are find out the modulus of A. Modulus of A is 4 minus 3, which is 1, not equal to 0. So our A inverse exists because if our A determinant of A is equal to 0, then our A inverse will not exist. So now we can write A into A. I is equal to 0. Now multiply by A inverse both sides. We get what? A into A inverse. So A into A inverse, I into A inverse, which is equal to 0. Now A into A inverse is equal to what? Identity matrix. So it is 4i, and this is, we can write A inverse, okay, which is equal to 0. Now we will send all this to the right hand side, 4i minus ai. Okay. So A inverse is 4i minus ai. Now this 4i is 1001, and this will be changing. This will be equal to A. So we will write A here, and A is 2, 3, 1, 2. So it will be 4004 minus 2, 3, 1, 2. And after subtracting, we get our A inverse. So A inverse will be what? 2, 0 minus 3 minus 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 2. So A inverse will be what? 2 minus 3 and minus 1, 2. So this will be our A inverse. I hope you understand, students. First of all, we have satisfied this. A is satisfied the equation, putting the value of A and A square here and get the right hand side 0. After that, using this equation, we will find our A inverse. So for this, we are multiplying both sides with A inverse, and you know A into A inverse is identity matrix, and if the identity matrix multiplied by any matrix, we get that matrix. So at the place of this, we can write A. Here also we can A inverse. So A inverse is here, and the main things we have sent to the right hand side. After putting the value of I and A, we get our result, which is our A inverse. I hope you understand. Now we will see the next question. Our next question is, so that the matrix B transpose AB is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. So we have to show that B transpose AB is symmetric in first part if our A is symmetric. A is symmetric. Our first part is if this matrix is symmetric if A is symmetric. This is we have to show that. So prove. And second part of this question is this matrix is skew symmetric if A is skew symmetric. This is we have to show that. So students, you know, for proving symmetric and skew symmetric, we take that matrix and we will find the transpose of that matrix. If it is equal to again that matrix, so we can say that that matrix is symmetric matrix. So we have to given here the matrix B E A B transpose of this matrix. So we can write AB transpose B transpose because for AB transpose we can write B transpose A transpose. So this will be and this is A. So B transpose A transpose. Now again here is AB transpose. So you can write B transpose A transpose, and this we can write because transpose of that matrix is equal to the matrix. Okay. So B transpose whole transpose will be equal to B. Now B transpose and this is our A transpose is A because we have to given A is symmetric. So A transpose will be equal to A. So at the place of A transpose we can write A and this is B. So B transpose AB and we have to show that B transpose AB whole transpose. So we can say that B transpose AB is symmetric when A is symmetric. So in this way we can prove that our this part will be symmetric if our A is symmetric. Now we will prove this second part, which is B transpose AB transpose is skew symmetric when A is skew symmetric. So A is skew symmetric, it means that A transpose is equal to minus A. From we have to given information that A transpose is minus A. So now we will prove it. So B transpose AB whole transpose will be equal to what? Again like same AB transpose of B transpose. Okay. Now we will write this B transpose A transpose and this will be changing B. Okay. I hope you understand, students. Now in the next step we will write for this is A transpose is equal to minus A and this is B, and we write this minus to the in starting and here we will write BAB. So from here we are seeing that, student, that our this transpose is equal to the negative sign of the matrix. So we can say that our B transpose AB is skew symmetric if A is skew symmetric. Okay. So student, if we have to given that A is skew symmetric, then we can use our A transpose which is equal to minus A. When now we have to show that this matrix is skew symmetric, so we will take this the transpose of this Now we will write AB transpose, B transpose, whole transpose, and this will be B transpose, A transpose, and this will be change in B. So, and now this A transpose we can write minus A, and this minus taken outside, we get B transpose AB again. So with this the matrix is equal to the negative sign of that matrix. So we can say that this is skew symmetric matrix when A is skew symmetric. And the first part, this is the matrix whose transpose we have to find out. When we have taken the transpose, we get AB transpose, B transpose, transpose. So it will change in B. It will be B transpose, A transpose, and this A transpose can be replaced with A, and this B transpose AB is equal to the B transpose AB. So we can say that this matrix is symmetric when A is symmetric, and will be skew symmetric when A is skew symmetric. I hope you understand, friends. Now we will see the next question in the next class. Thank you.